What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on GME and I will tell you about the exact trade that I'm currently watching here, and also I will tell you about the exact levels that I'm watching here to buy this stock for like a long-term hold. So if you are interested in that, definitely watch this video till the end, because in my opinion you will definitely not regret it. But first of all, let's start on a weekly time frame, because I want you to understand the bigger picture and then we will get into the exact trade. So I highly recommend you to watch both of these parts. So on a weekly time frame, as you probably know, this stock is pumping again like crazy, and we did here a pump around like 530%, and that's probably the main reason why this stock is again trending. Is it possible that we are gonna get to these previous areas, for example like level 121, or like this week close which is on the like level 80.93? Well, in my opinion definitely yes, but this is not something that I'm counting on. I will tell you about the exact levels, as I said, with the exact trading setups. But right now we have here really insane bullish volume, also really insane bearish volume. But right now right here happened something similar like here, which is called like short squeeze. So right now there are many losses on the short side, so this is giving us like the fuel for another pump. So is it possible that this stock will continue with its pump? In my opinion definitely yes, and let's now take a look on the exact setups. In trading, the most important thing is to always wait for like a perfect entry price. So me personally, I am watching this bullish order block, which is between levels 15.55 and 15.35. So this is like really small order block on like a 30 minutes time frame, and I am waiting here for a liquidity grab under. So if we are gonna test this area and we will take all important liquidity like under all of these important lows, also it means that if we are gonna reach this area, we will take important liquidity also like under these previous lows, and we are gonna fill these previous gaps. Then this can be, in my opinion, like absolutely insane opportunity for a long trade. My last take profit target with this setup will be this bearish order block, which is between level 62.4 and 61.2. So in this case we are looking for like risk reward ratio around I don't know, around like maybe 40, something like that. But in this case it will really depend on how big will be this like eventual fake out. So if we will form here, for example, something like here, so the potential stop loss will be like 7.3%, then yeah, the risk reward ratio will be almost 40. But if the stop loss will be, let's say, we will be lower, then the risk reward ratio will be like absolutely insane. And if the stop loss will be higher, then this trade is, again, in my opinion, still makes sense, because yeah, the potential profit here is like absolutely huge. But keep in mind that this won't be like your last your like final risk reward ratio, because in a trade like this you always need to take multiple take profit targets so you can manage your position properly. So some of the profits you can take, for example, like under these previous lows, then you can move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. Then definitely some of the profits like under these lows, for example this high, and then you can save some back to the last take profit target. Also, I probably don't need to add this, but this trade, because we are aiming for like such a high risk reward ratio, is really risky. So for example, risk for this trade like 0.5% of your entry trading capital, something like that. And if you are looking for, let's say, some long-term opportunities for a trading position, so for example you want to buy this stock for a long-term hold, then this price is probably not ideal, because we already had here a pump. If we take a look, like for example from this low, we already had here a pump around like 140%. I know that to this high it was like 500%, so right now there is like a discount around like 61%. But keep in mind that the long-term view for this stock is this is like a really high probability that something like this will happen, is simply something like this. The company if we take a look on the fundamental side, because yeah, I did a fundamental analysis on this coin like during this absolute last pump, the fundamental side of this company is like not that great. So in the long time perspective, I think there is pretty high probability that we will see here, for example, something like this, but you can be simply like catching these not like a small pumps, because these are like profits around like 100% even if you are not using leverage, but we can simply take advantage of these small moves and yeah, then sell and then simply wait for like another interesting opportunity. So yeah, that's let's say my personal view on this stock. I'm only considering here opening a trading position, but I'm not planning to open here some hold position for like several months. So this is right now the main setup. If you, for example, want to open let's say a short-term long position right now, then yeah, this is probably also possible. The stop loss in this case probably should go like under this previous strong low, but in this case we simply don't have here like an important support, so there is still pretty high chance of getting liquidated, but also the potential risk reward ratio is still great. So yeah, you need to do your own analysis. But hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Definitely I will be really glad if you hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time. See ya.